Hey there, did you know that AI-powered search engines like Google's SG and Bing Copilot actually prioritize websites that load faster and offer a smoother experience? That's why it's so important to understand something called AI-specific load metrics. In this lesson, I'm going to break down the most important metrics you need to monitor, how they affect your SEO, and what you can do to improve them. What are AI-specific load metrics? Alright, so let's start with the basics. AI-specific load metrics are performance indicators that directly impact how search engines powered by AI evaluate your website. These metrics focus on three big things: how fast your site loads, how stable it is, and how easy it is for users to interact with it. Let me walk you through the top three. Number 1, largest contentful paint, or LCP. This measures how long it takes for the biggest piece of content, like an image or headline, to show up on the screen. Number 2, first input delay, or FID. This tells us how quickly your site responds when a user clicks a button or starts typing in a form. And number 3, cumulative layout shift, or CLS. This measures how much the content jumps around while your page is still loading. Here's why they matter. Fast-loading pages get better rankings. Pages that respond quickly give users a better experience. And stable layouts keep users from getting frustrated. Let me give you a quick example. If your site's LCP is 4 seconds, that's too long. It tells AI search engines that your content is slow, and maybe even low quality. The key AI load metrics explained. Let's go a bit deeper into each one. Largest contentful paint, LCP. This one's all about how long it takes for the biggest content on your page to appear. Ideally, you want this under 2.5 seconds. Some common issues that slow it down: slow server response, large image files, render blocking JavaScript or CSS. So how do you fix it? Use a CDN to serve images faster. Convert images to next-gen formats like WebP, and minimize those render blocking scripts. Example, if your homepage has a big hero image, and it takes 4 seconds to load, try compressing that image. Switch to WebP format, and lazy load anything below the fold. First input delay, FID. FID tells us how long it takes your site to respond when a user first interacts with it. Google recommends keeping this under 100 milliseconds. Common problems: heavy JavaScript, slow server responses, or third-party scripts dragging things down. To improve it, defer non-essential JavaScript, use browser caching, and avoid long-running scripts that block interaction. Example, let's say your contact form takes 2 seconds to respond when someone hits submit. That's a problem. You can fix it by using a faster form plugin, deferring JavaScript, and improving server response. Cumulative layout shift, CLS. This metric tracks how much things move around while the page is loading. Google recommends a score of 0.1 or less. What causes layout shifts? Images or ads without fixed sizes, fonts loading late, or pop-ups showing up unexpectedly. Here's how to prevent that. Always define width and height for images. Use font display, swap, and avoid inserting dynamic elements above existing content. Example, if your text jumps around as images load, add specific size attributes to your images. And preload fonts for visual stability. More AI-specific metrics to know. Besides core web vitals, there are a few other metrics that AI-powered engines are looking at. Time to first byte, TTFB. This measures how fast the server responds. Keep it under 500 milliseconds. Use good hosting and server-side caching to fix this. Interaction to next paint, INP. Think of this as the new FID. It measures how quickly your page updates after a user interaction. Optimize it by reducing JavaScript and writing cleaner code. Speed index. SI This tracks how fast visible content loads. It improves when you preload critical assets and eliminate render blocking code. Tools to measure AI load metrics. Let's talk about tools that help you track and improve these metrics. Google PageSpeed Insights. This shows your LCP, FID, and CLS. Plus gives you practical tips. Google Search Console. Check the Core Web Vitals report to see which pages pass and which ones need work. Lighthouse in Chrome DevTools. You can run performance tests directly in your browser. Webpagetest.org. This tool gives detailed results and lets you test from different devices and locations. Steps to optimize for AI performance. So, what should you actually do to improve your site? Step 1. Optimize server response times. Use a fast host. Implement server caching. And optimize your database queries. Step 2. Optimize images for LCP use. Next-gen formats. Compress your files. And lazy load images that aren't visible right away. Step 3. Minimize JavaScript for FID. Defer anything non-essential. Load scripts asynchronously. And avoid heavy processing. Step 4. Prevent layout shifts for CLS. Set sizes for every image and a frame. Preload fonts. And avoid pushing content down unexpectedly. Step 5. Use a CDN. Distribute content closer to users for faster load times. And cache frequently accessed pages. Real-world example, local hotel website. Let's say you manage a website for a boutique hotel. You have a big, beautiful hero image. Your contact form is powered by JavaScript, and your gallery images move around as they load. Here's how you fix it. Convert that hero image to WebP. Defer non-essential scripts. Set dimensions on every gallery image. And use Cloudflare or a similar CDN. The result, a fast, stable, responsive website that AI search engines love. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me call out a few things to watch for. Don't use uncompressed images. Don't load too much JavaScript all at once. Don't ignore layout shifts. And don't forget mobile performance. It's absolutely essential. Wrap up. So, here's the big takeaway. AI-specific load metrics help your site load faster, respond quicker, and feel more stable for users. And that means better rankings and better experiences. In the next topic, we're diving into mobile-first geo optimization. I'll show you how to create a fast, local-friendly mobile experience that AI-powered engines love. Ready to go? Let's keep it moving.